Hello. In today's tutorial, we are going to create Outlook signatures. We are going to create different signatures. One would be for professional use, and one would be the one we use with our friends. There are several ways we could access the signature template. The first option when you log into your Outlook is to click on Settings on the right hand side. When you click on it, this box appears. We can simply search for email signature in this box and click on it. This box appears. I'm going to show you a different way we could find this. Let me, oh, I shouldn't have saved it. So if you already, a different way you could find that option is to start to create a new email by clicking to send a new mail. Then click on Insert tab. Here you see signature. Click on this drop down and click on signature and the box appears. Either way, it leads you to the template you can use to create your signature. So let's start creating the signature let's first of all create the professional one or the business signature. Let's give it a name. We can call it signature. Or sorry, we can call it business. In here, we can add our information. I'm adding the name. I'm adding the address. Basically, here you add all the information that you want. Business related information. The next thing I want to add would be, let's just add a website. So now we have, if this is all the information we have for our business signature, we can go on and just as usual, Microsoft Word or other Microsoft utilities, you can just make it whichever way you want by formatting it. Let's make the name bigger. These ones we can also just format them in a way. Now we have our business signature. Let's go on and save it. Let's close this. So now what happens is whenever you want to send email, let's for instance, let me close this and let's click on new email. Now, whenever you want to send email, you go back to insert. Below that, you can see where the list of your signature should be. So let us go on, let us assume we are sending a business signature. We click on it. Our signature is here immediately. Another thing we can do is to create a secondary signature, which is for the one we use with friends for leisure. To do that, we can go on and click on signature again and choose signatures. This box appears once again. Go on at the top and click new signature. Now we can give it a name, and just like the initial one we created, we can just add whatever information we want to add. I'm adding my phone number. I'm adding my email. What else we want to add? We can also just make it look a bit good. All of these are not necessary, obviously, but why not? So you can just go on and give it whatever look you wish. So the beauty of this is that you can create as many signatures as you want and use them for various purposes. Now that we have the second signature, we can go on and save it. Let's close the window. And let me go on and start a new email by clicking new email. As before, we go back to insert, signature. Now we have two different signatures here to choose from. So if we want to send email to our friends, we can choose that one. And go on and fill in and write our email and send. This is very simple. And maybe in the future, if you want to delete one, you can just go back to signature, click there, and then you could go on and delete. Now we've got only one. Let me save it. Close. Now when we go back to signature, we now have only one signature here, the business one. So this is how you can easily create signatures in Outlook, and I hope this has been helpful. If you are because you probably see that I'm using the web-based Outlook. If you've got like the desktop Outlook, in most cases the process should be the same, or maybe with a very little variation, which if you follow this process, you can also apply it if you're using the desktop version. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and add some comments if this has been helpful? Thank you for watching.